A lot of coaches and trainers struggle to launch their business online. It's because of information overload, mixed opinions, lack of clarity, lack of focus, and lack of proper mentorship. I used to be in the situation 3 years ago. I had all the knowledge and skills, but it never really reflected in my bank account. I invested in a lot of programs. I tried every single thing possible until I found mentors who opened my eyes to a new way of doing things. Number 1, I invested my money and time following just one mentor for 90 days without distractions. 2, I focused all my energies on creating systems that can scale digitally. And 3, I shifted my mindset from chasing after money to giving more value to my audience. And the results were unimaginable. Over 35,000 students learning in my community in the last 25 months, hundreds of case studies, and now we are building a new school for the new world, a new society for the new world. We are creating the next breed of digital teachers. The mission is to empower 1 million people become digital leaders. And if you resonate with this message, jump on this bandwagon. You can make a bigger difference in this world by being a part of a community than just on your own. And I welcome you to this new world of digital transformation. Welcome to the Internet Lifestyle Hub.